O kasi ako personally, ang gusto ko, okay ako dun sa botohan. Kaya si Dilima pa yan, kaya si Kiko Pangilinan pa yan, kaya si ganito, kaya si ganyan, ano natin yan. Pero kasi nga, ganyan dyan. Pag, hindi naman binabawal na baguhin yung rule, hindi naman binabawal na maggagawa sila ng resolution. Usually, pinagdedebatehan yan, tapos nauuwi yan sa botohan. O magbobotohan ngayon. Ang problema, kapag wala ka sa majority, nasa minority ka, kahit anong kahit anong ayaw mo, kahit anong tanggi mo, magbobotohan, mananalo yung marami. Parang sa Congress din, nagreklamo ba tayo? In-expose lang natin sila, na bias na talaga sila, meron na talaga silang desisyon sa impeachment ni VP Sara. Nagkakabotohan doon, nagreklamo ba tayo? Demokrasya ganun talaga pagdating dito sa Senado, ganun din. Botohan, mas marami. Etong grupo nila Marcoleta ng majority, kasi kanina kulang ng dalawa yung minority, so siyam lang sila, kulang silang dalawa. Kung kulang din ng isa, yung kanina, yung majority, so 11 sila. Kung magkakaroon ng botohan kanina, matatalo sila. O kaya gigil sila, ayaw nilang magkaroon ng botohan kanina diyan sa Senado, which is legal naman na nangyayari yun. It happens all the time na kapag merong hindi pagkakaunawaan, they are dividing the house and then paramihan ng boto. Tapos ang ginawa nila, dahil ayaw nila na bumoto ngayong araw na ito kasi kulang sila ng dalawa, nag-walk out sila. Pero ang gusto nilang mangyari mga bossing, etong mga senador na mga ikukulong, ayaw nilang magkaroon ng numero. Pero sila, kulang lang sila ng dalawang numero, nag-walk out sila dahil ayaw nila magkaroon ng botohan ngayong araw na ito. Ganyan sila katarantado at kahipokrito. Hindi ba? Panoorin natin itong nangyari kanina. Pasok.
Rule 14, Section 41, Senate Session. The proposal, Madam President, is by way of an additional paragraph, Section 41C, after Section 41B of Rule 14 of the Senate Rules, which will state as follows. Section 41C, allow a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference, video conference, or other reliable forms of remote or electronic means using appropriate information and communication technology.
Kasi yun na yung technology ngayon Dapat nag-a-adjust tayo sa technology, hindi yung technology yung mag-a-adjust sa atin. Nung unang panahon ng Hapon, wala, pa lang nun, telegrama pa lang, di ba? So, minsan, mga nag-a-abroad, ganyan, magsusulat tayo sa yellow paper, di ba? Yellow pages. Yellow paper, magsusulat tayo doon. Dear Papa, di ba? Ganyan. Tapos, papadala natin yon sa Koryo, papadala natin, tapos mapupunta yun doon sa abroad, sa Saudi. Pagdating minsan, ang gagawin, kasi mahal kapag ka nagka-set tape ka, mahal. Mahal kasi mabigat yun titimbangin Kaya ang ginagawa, nagtsatsagaan na lang sila. O kung gaano kabigat yung cassette tape, mag-aano na lang kasi magre-record sila yung mga mayayaman, gano'n. Yung mga nakakaluwag-luwag ang mga nasa abroad. So magre-record sila. Hi Papa, kumusta na? Eto, nakaitim ako ngayon. Matutulog na ako. Wala akong katabi. Samahan mo naman ako, miss na kita. Mga ganun, di ba? Ganun ang means of of communication noon pagka malayo. Ganun ang long distance relationship noon, hindi ba? Pen pal, tandaan niyo, kailangan marami kayong palitan ng pen pal at saka ng mga picture, di ba? Para maging di ba, boyfriend kayo sa Amerika. Para mapetisyon kayo, kailangan may patunay kayo, dala-dala ninyo yung palitan, taon na palitan ninyo ng sulat. Di ba? Ganun kasi noon, wala pang technology. So kung noong panahon siguro, kapag ka nasa Senado ka, walang technology ng Zoom, walang video conference. So kailangan mo talagang pumasok. Di ba? Kailangan mo pumasok. Ngayon, sa digital age, sa new age na new world, the world of technology, the era of technology, wala nang malayo. Lahat malapit, lahat magkakalapit. Sa fingertips mo lang. You are a cell phone away from each other. Even if you are far across the globe. You are real time, can give update, can message, can video conference, video call, hindi ba nagkaroon ng mga international companies dito sa Pilipinas. Ganyan ang ginagawa yung counterpart ko sa Amerika, magmi-meeting kami. Kumbaga, pinadali na nga ng teknolohiya yung mga bagay-bagay. Dapat mag-adjust yung lahat. Sa teknolohiya, hindi yung teknolohiya mag-a-adjust. Alam nga naman, mayroon ng Facebook, mag-aano ka pa. Kaya nga yung ginawa ni Bongbong nakatangahan. Na libre na daw. Libre daw ang ano. Libre daw ang tawag. Libre daw ang tawag ng mga mahal nyo sa buhay, sa abroad. Gago. Noon pa libre. Internet lang. May Facebook Messenger. Merong Viber, Telegram, Signal, WeChat. Lahat meron. O kaya nga bobo talaga eh. Oh, so yun ang technology ngayon. Kaya nga ito yung pinapanukala ni Rodante Marcoleta, dahil may mga available naman na technology, let us not prohibit our colleagues from attending, lalong-lalo na kung merong political harassment sa kanila. Pakukulong sila because of this, because of that. Alam naman natin na si Boying Rimulya, tao ni Bongbong yan dahil si Bongbong ang nagtalaga kay Boying. Kahit na questionable yung pagkapanalo ni Boying diyan sa pagiging ombudsman, ang dami-dami niyang kaso eh. Tapos naging ombudsman siya. O sino nagtatrabaho ngayon? Ombudsman. O sino nag-iimbestiga ngayon? NBI. Sino ba naglagay ng mga yan? Si Bongbong Marcos. So politically, itong mga persecuted, itong mga senador sa majority. So bilang isang bahay minority ka, kay majority ka, kung sa ikabubuti ng ng inyong tahanan, papayag ka. Ba't hindi sila pumapayag sa teleconference? Oo, kasi kung ako solid ako na senador, magkakaibigan tayo. Makukulong si Jinggoy, tagal-tagal ko nang kasama yan. Lalong-lalo na may kapatid pa siya diyan, si JB Ejercito. Siyempre, kung ako si JB Ejercito, kapatid ko man yan, tapos senador man yan, binoto man yan ng milyon-milyon mga Pilipino, bilang senador, ayaw ko rin naman mangyayari sa akin yan na kapag nagkakaso ako, tapos pag nasa malayo ako, hindi na ako makakaboto, so ilagay ko lang yung posisyon ko sa kanya bilang parehas naman kaming senador. Dapat pumayag sila. Dapat papayag sila. Ba't hindi sila papayag? Kasi nga, yun talaga plano nila, na mapila yung majority at mukhang sila yung magiging bagong majority na naman. Di ba? Diretso.
Move, Madam President.
We take note of the motion of Senator Rodante Marcoleta. I recognize Senator Ping
Yes,
Lacson.
thank you, Madam
Yes.
President. This is a parliamentary inquiry. What is the status of the motion introduced by the Honorable Marcoleta last May 11? Has it been referred to the Committee on Rules?
I am told that it's been referred to the Committee on Rules, Majority Leader.
Okay.
Yes, it has been referred to the Committee on Rules, and that's why in this particular deliberation, the Committee on Rules is giving it back to the floor for plenary action, Madam President.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Si Rizon Tiberos, kita nyo, nag-chat GPT na naman. Sa cellphone na naman. Putang ina, wala na siya index card eh. Si chat GPT na naman siya, cellphone na naman siya. Pinapasahan na naman siya ng mga impormasyon ng mga kaluluwa niya. Yung mga kaluluwa yan na nagbubulong sa kanya eh. Kasi nga, di ba, parang santo yan si Rizon Tiberos eh. Putang ina, divine may mga divine bulong yan eh. Di ba? Nakita nyo pag nagsasalita siya, yung babae sa likod niya, nagsasalita din. Sinasabayan yung bibig niya. Tangina niya. Walang hiya,
Has the Committee on Rules been constituted?
I believe that Senator Joel Villanueva is the acting Majority Leader
Yes.
and would be the best position to
Okay.
answer
Thank
the
you, Madam
question.
President.
In the meantime, I recognize Senate President Cayetano.
Madam Chair, with the permission of Senator Villanueva, so the Committee on Rules is not reporting out the
No, my
the
question,
proposal.
Mr. President. I'm sorry, Madam President. With your permission, my question is, has the Committee on Rules been constituted?
Yes. So, Madam President, the answer there is the same answer to the question of Senator Pangilinan and former Senate President Soto, that in accordance with Section 19, this is the same. They continue to function. Having said that, I was explaining that the motion of Senator Villanueva was not for the Committee on Rules to report out what was referred to them, but to return to the plenary. Because if you look at Section 136 of our rules, the rules may be amended by means of a motion which should be presented at least one day before its consideration, and a vote of majority senators present shall be required for its approval. So, you do
Yaan yung pinag-uusapan, na kung merong motion, dapat, lalo na kung babaguhin yung rules, dapat may isang araw. Hindi pwedeng agad-agad pag uusapan pa yan. May isang araw. Kinabukasan, ganun, kung may session. Ganun ang gusto nila mangyari. Pero ito nga ang punto. May 11 pa lang. Ano na ba ngayon? May 27, May 26. May 27 na eh. So, ano pa lang. So, may 11, May 27. So, ilang araw na lumipas. Hindi lang isang araw. O, yun yung pinapaliwanag nila dito.
Not need the endorsement nor the forwarding of the Committee of Rules for the amendment of the Committee on for the amendments of the rules. So the only requirement is that it is put on the floor at least one day before, or the proposal is made, and that a majority of the senators present will vote for its approval. So I just wanted to clarify that, just so that we don't have any miscommunication that whether or not the Rules Committee met, who are the members, etc. Because right now that's irrelevant, because we have given back to the plenary the proposal. Yeah.
Very clear. Thank you, Senate
Madam
President.
President,
Senator Lacson is recognized.
does it mean that we are now disregarding the committees of the Senate? So the committee chairman or the chairman of any committee, including the Rules Committee, may just report out any motion or any resolution referred to it in plenary, and then just, it is within his power to just report it out by himself without any deliberation in the committee, without any committee report. Is that the new rule now, Mr. President? Madam
It is
President?
clearly...
There's no new rule. I read the rule.
Yes.
Senator Lacson is referring to resolutions or
And motions.
communications or anything referred to the Committee on Rules. We're talking about a motion to amend the rules. We had the option of taking it up, but since everyone asked for one more day, it was given to the Committee on Rules. The Committee on Rules has an option to take it up, but the acting majority leader or acting chairman of the committee gave it back to plenary, and the plenary is more, how do I put it?
Supreme.
Supreme, thank you, Senator Lacson, over the committee. So we didn't disregard the committee. It is our choice from the start whether we want to give it to the committee or not. So when we give it, so for example, I have a motion now to to extend the session to June 12 instead of June 5. That could be given to the Committee on Rules, or upon coordination with the House, the plenary can decide it directly, or we can give it to the Committee on Rules, and after he talks to the House of Representatives, he can even report it out, or he can easily, legally, morally, just say that I am tossing it back to the plenary, which is what's happening today.
Thank
It's
you,
not
Madam
a new rule.
President. That is assuming that there was no referral. But in this case, and I'd like to invite the attention of the body to journal number 62, dated May 11, 2026. And if I may read the particular portion of this journal, proposed at 6:25 p.m., the session was resumed. Proposed amendment to the rules of the Senate. Senator Marcoleta proposed an amendment to Rule 14, Senate sessions of the rules, by inserting a new paragraph C under Rule 41, which reads, A or C, allow a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference, video conference, or other reliable forms of remote or electronic means using appropriate information and communications technology. Now, here's the portion, Mr. President, or Madam President. While expressing no objection to the proposal, Senate President Cayetano A. suggested giving the Committee on Rules time to discuss the matter. Now, my question is, was there any discussion by the Committee on Rules? Apparently, there was none, because it's now being reported out by the acting majority leader without consultation with any of the members. And by the way, Madam President, wala pang Committee on Rules eh.
I believe that it was mentioned, and I will reiterate from my understanding that there was no Committee on Rules meeting because that motion is reverted back to plenary.
Madam Chair.
Meaning we are not ignoring the fact that, of course, committees must hold meetings, but this particular motion is being referred back to plenary. And may we just put on record, it says in rule or section 136, the rules may also be amended by means of a motion which should be presented at least one day, and we're complying with that, before its consideration, and the vote of the majority of the senators present in the session shall be required for its approval. I believe that is what the Senate President had explained.
Evidently, Madam President, action was taken. And the action was to refer it to the Committee on Rules since the position of Majority Floor Leader was vacated. So how can the committee properly function in the absence of a committee, of the committee members?
As
Now,
the Senate
I'll invite-
President
Madam Chair.
had stated,
Let me finish,
there is a
Madam
rule
President.
of a continuing operations of the committee
But they
while
were
the new head
vacated,
has
Madam
not
President.
been.
Walang members ang Committee on Rules. So we cannot invoke continuity because we vacated all committees, all positions, including the members. And may I invite you to Section 24 of our rules, Madam President. The committees shall hold meetings to discuss, decide, and submit a report on all matters transmitted to them. This was transmitted to the Committee on Rules. So the committees shall hold, including the Committee on Rules, shall hold meetings to discuss, decide, and submit a report. There's no report, Mr. President or Madam President.
Madam President.
So we're violating our own rules.
We recognize Senate President.
Yeah, Mr. President, the chair already made the ruling, and it's not appropriate to argue with the chair because, as explained to Senator Lacson, the committee did not report it out. He read the journal of May 11, but he did not read the motion of Senator Joel today. His motion today was pursuant to Rule 136 of the rules, a motion to amend the rules, meaning if Joel was no longer the majority leader, if I was the majority leader now, or even an ordinary member, that motion was carried. No one objected that we take it up. Because, Madam Chair, we're bringing it back to plenary. So natural po, walang discussion sa Committee on Rules. Kasi wala naman po sa rules natin na kailangan i-discuss sa Committee on Rules. We did that on May 11 so that everyone will have an opportunity to study the rule. It's a very simple amendment. So we should go to the discussion of the amendment if anyone is objecting to the amendment. But definitely, the right to propose an amendment is a right guaranteed by our rules. Senator Marcoleta has an amendment. We should go to discussing the merits or demerits of having that rule. You already ruled that it is proper for the plenary to take it up. So may I request or move that we, if there are any objection, we discuss their objection.
I'm objecting. That's the effect of my manifestation, Madam President. I'm objecting because I'm invoking Section 24 of our rules. And as I read into the records, the journal of May 11, 2026, na-refer po ito sa Committee on Rules. And there was no discussion. Action was taken actually by this body.
Then, Madam Chair, if there's an objection, may I move that we divide the House?
Point of order, Madam President.
On that issue, not on the issue of whether or not the rule is good. Your issue is whether or not it's proper to take it up on the floor. The position of the majority is that there's no rule being violated.
Oh, malinaw ha, malinaw. O, ganyan din kasi sa Congress, di ba? Kapag ka meron na motion, tapos may nag-object, anong gagawin? Magbobotohan. Ano ang pagbobotohan? Dito kasi magkakaroon ng dito kasi magkakaroon ng hindi pagkakaintindihan, lalong-lalo na sa mga unggoy, mga oplok, mga bugok ng mga senador. Ang pinag-uusapan lang dito, let us divide the House whether itatakil na ba ito sa plenary or hindi. Kasi nga, the plenary is more superior than the committee. Ibinalik na nga from committee to plenary. Ang sinasabi lang ni Lacson, wala pa namang committee. Dahil, di ba nga, bakante lahat. So ayun na nga, may motion nga noong May 11. Meron ng request nung May 11. So ibinalik na nga ngayon dahil nga yung majority floor leader siya nga yung nasa Committee on Rules na. So siya na mismo ibinalik na diyan para pagdebatihan na. Kasi ganoon din naman sa committee, pag-uusapan din naman, pagdedebatihan din naman. Dito na natin pagdebatihan. Kasi nga superior man ang plenary sa committee. So ibinalik na diyan pag-uusapan. Ngayon, sino ang tama? Si Cayetano o si Lacson? Magbotohan tayo, let us divide the House. Ganun man lagi pag mayroong hindi pagkakaunawaan, di ba? So paramihan na lang tayo o sinong mananalo, di ba? Ganun. Ang problema, wala silang numero. Ngayon, yun yung pinag-uusapan nila dito. Yun yung i-divide yung House, yun yung pagbobotohan. Whether yung objection ni Lacson is papanigan or etong pagpapaliwanag ni Cayetano.
So we will vote. The presiding officer has already ruled, but the gentleman continues to object. So we have to vote on it. We're not voting on the amendment yet. We're voting on whether the amendment is proper or not.
Yes, interjection, Madam President.
Yes, Minority Leader Senator Soto.
We will have to support that resolution or thinking of Senator Lacson, which is
To the rescue yung jowa. To the rescue yung si Beb. Beb, tulong. Syempre magaling yung kalaban, abogado. So akala nila yung dalawang bobong utak pag pinagsama mananalo sa abogado. Expired na mga utak niya, tatanda na niyan kumbaga na yan, yung tapos na yung shelf life niyan. Bulok na yung mga utak niya sa tatanda na ng mga yan. So sige, to the rescue, itong si Baby.
we did not constitute the Committee on Rules. So what are we discussing right now? I suggest that we
Ngot talaga yan ang problema pag tanga Kahit nga umayon ka kay Ping Lacson, sinasabi na nga ni Cayetano, aayon ka diyan. Aayon din yung kasamahan ko sa akin. Para malaman natin kung sino kung sinong tama at mali, magbotohan tayo kung sino yung tama at mali sa mga kasamahan natin. Paano pang punto nung pag-interject mo doon sa sinasabi ni Lacson? May punto man si Lacson. May punto man din si Cayetano. Dahil nga parehas silang may punto, Dahil nga parehas silang may punto, anong gagawin natin ngayon? Let us just divide the House para tapos ang usapan, hindi tayo magpapatalo sa isa't isa. Hindi ka magpapatalo, hindi ako magpapatalo. O, so, tapusin na natin. Ano na tayo? Magbotohan na tayo, di ba? Ganyan naman, kahit sa Congress, ganyan ang ginawa nung kay Inday Sara. O, pag may objection, bobotohan. O, since nag-object ka, o, magbobotohan. Kung yung objection mo ba, yung magro-rule or yung aking paliwanag. O, ano pang iniiyak mo, Tito Soto? Tanga ka ba?
We constitute the Committee on Rules and discuss it there. How do I know this? Ako minority leader Hindi ako member ng rules. Ex officio Tumawag ba? Hindi. Ano to? Binabraso?
Point of order, Madam Chairman. Where in the rule
Galit ka. Ano to? Binabraso? Tanga. Demokrasya. Pagbobotohan nga. May punto yung isa, may punto yung isa. O, di magbotohan tayo. Ganun lang yun O, alam nyo, di kayo mananalo sa boto. Kaya ang ginagawa nyo, umaasa na lang kayo dyan na parang inaapi kayo. Victim card yarn.
rules does it say that an amendment has to pass the Committee on Rules?
Section 24, Madam President.
Anong sabi po sa Section 24?
The committee shall hold meetings to discuss, decide, and submit a report on all matters transmitted to them.
Madam
And this-
Chairman, that's
thank
not
you.
the rule. The rule
Yes.
is 136.
136. Can you
So,
please, for the third time,
Laman 124 136 pala Sabi ko sa inyo, expired na yung utak nyo ni Tito Soto. Dapat nagpapahinga na lang kayo. Mahilig naman pala kayo mag-golf. Di ba sabi ni Tito Soto, pinag-uusapan nyo, imbis na problema ng Pilipinas, pinag-uusapan nyo yung pampalo sa bola na maliit. Putang ina niya, para kayong mga ulul. Ang liit-liit ng butas. Tanginan niyan, ang layo-layo nyo, tas gusto nyong issue. Tanga ba kayo? Ay, joke lang sa mga mahilig mag-golf. Malam ko, maraming mahilig mag-golf dyan. Oo, kasi yung nakita nyo nga yung basketball, ang laki-laki na nung butas ng ring, hindi pa nila ma-shoot kahit sa kabilang ring, kabilang side ng court. Tapos kayo, palo kayo ng palo. Pinapalapit yung pinapalapit. Ihagis nyo na lang. Ay, ibig sabihin, nag-uusap nga kayo tungkol sa golf club dami-daming problema ng Pilipinas Mag-usap na lang kayo sa golf club, ganyan, yung golf nyo. Parang wag nyo na idamay mga Pilipino. Wala na yung mga utak nyo, tuyot na yan naubos na yan. Kakaisip nyo dyan. Isip kayo ng isip, wala naman kayo isip
may we request the Senate President to read into the
the
record
rules
Rule
may be amended
136.
by means of a motion which would be presented at least one day before its consideration, and the vote of the majority of the senators present in the session hall shall be required for its approval. So I respect their objection. But how do we determine objections in this Senate? We vote. So if there is an objection, they have already explained their position. We have explained our position. I move that we divide the House, Madam Chair.
May I, Mr. President?
Naman katulad niyan. Epal ka din. Epal ka din. Siyempre mga kakampi ka. Kaya nga, ganito na lang. Total, pare-parehas kayo may opinion. May opinion ka. May opinion si Soto. May opinion si Lacson. Sinasabi nyo, tama si Lacson. Edi magbotohan na lang tayo para malaman natin kung sino ba yung mananalo dito sa debate na ito. Siyempre, ito na naman si butas ng ilong. Si Kiko Maching, ayan na naman. Tanginang yan, ewan ko sa mga to. Parang kulang sa vitamins Hindi marunong umintindi. Ano pang kailangan na pagdebatihan? Nagdidebate na yung dalawa. Sumama pa kayong lahat. Kahit mga magulang nyo, isama nyo dyan Pag hindi nagkakaintindihan, magbobotohan. Ganun lang yun. Botohan. Kasi hindi kayo matatapos dyan. Walang aamin sa inyo ng mga kasalanan nyo sa isa't isa O kaya magbotohan na lang. Yun nga yung sinasabi ni ito tama sa'yo, ito tama sa akin. Sino referee? Walang referee. Magbotohan tayo. O sinong
We are several members of the minority here, and only Senator Lacson has spoken. Why are we railroading this process, Mr. President? I have a number of issues that I'd like to raise regarding this motion, Mr. President.
Anak ng tinapay talaga to. Hindi naman yung mismong motion pinagbobotohan Ang pinagbobotohan nga, yung pinagdedebatehan ng dalawa, nakikisali kayo. Di magdebate kayo mamaya, tapos magbotohan din kayo dun sa pagdedebate nyo. Tangina, nagalit na yung asawa ni Sharon. Siguro hindi na naman to nakasiping kagabi. Outside ako lambu naman siguro, hindi ka na naman naligo. Walang butas ng ilong nito, lalaki na naman yan. Magagalit, sisigaw na naman yan.
They are citing Section 136, assuming, for the sake of argument, that their position is correct. The second paragraph, Mr. President, says the rules may also be amended by means of a motion, which should be presented at least one day before its consideration. We submit, Mr. President, that the earlier motion that was entered or was referred to the Committee on Rules This is a new motion, Mr. President.
correct.
And therefore, we have to take consideration of the one-day requirement before we can act on it, Mr. President. And that should be, if not tomorrow, because we don't have any session tomorrow, that should be on Monday, Mr. President.
Madam
Again,
President,
let me reiterate.
O yun yun ang ano nila sa Monday. Kasi bago daw ito, so sa Monday. Yan ang gusto nila kasi nga dapat bukas. Dahil holiday ng 27, wala silang session ng Huwebes at Biyernes, Monday to Wednesday man lang sila, so Lunes na. Okay na yun okay na. Ibibigay yun sa kanila Ibibigay yun sa kanila. Sige, Lunes na lang. Ibibigay yun sa kanila. Lunes na lang. Hindi na. Sige na. Para matapos na ito, mga iyaking kayo sa Lunes. Yun naman ang gusto nila di ba? Ayan, sinabi na ni Kiko Pangilinan, sa Lunes. Dapat. Sige. I-reserve natin yan pasok.
The rules may also be amended by means of a motion, which should be presented at least one day before its consideration. We submit that the motion that was mentioned last May 11 was referred
Yes.
to the Committee on Rules.
Yeah.
This is a new motion, Mr. President, that is being presented on the floor, which requires that it be presented one day before it is considered. And therefore, we have to consider this motion on Monday, Mr. President.
Madam
As
President.
explained by the acting majority leader, the motion of Senator Marcoleta has been brought to the plenary, and
Prepared.
both the majority and the minority had mentioned Rule Section 136, and it says that the vote of the majority of the senators present in session shall be required for the
Madam
approval.
President.
I believe that this rule has been mentioned more than 5 times.
Madam President,
I
may-
believe also that the interpretation of the rule is different. So I take note of the manifestation of Senator Pangilinan.
May,
Mr. President,
may-
if I may just continue, Mr. President. All in previous...
Senator Lacson actually has the floor.
Yes, with
I
the
still
permission
have
of
the
Senator
floor.
Lacson.
Senator Lacson has the floor.
But
May
the-
we continue with the manifestation of Senator Lacson, and then
Yeah.
after him, he will yield to Senator Pangilinan.
Madam President, the invocation of the Senate President of Rule 136 is premised on the assumption that there was no action taken. But we took action. We referred it to the Committee on Rules. So Section 24 now applies, Madam President. We're going to just ram down our throat something that numbers can dictate,
Madam
Mr.
Chair.
President.
Yes, Senate
Yes,
President.
Madam Chair,
Cayetano.
first of all, we're just repeating the arguments. I respect his argument, but I disagree with it. Secondly, they've used already 3 words: ram down their throat, railroaded, binabraso.
Doon kasi kayo mahilig Nagdidebate lang kayo Tapos kayo yung mag-a-ad hominem Pag kayo yung nag-a-ad hominem, okay lang. Pero pag kayo yung in-ad hominem, masakit. Mahapdi. Ano yung mga words na ginagamit ninyo? Binabraso. Ano to, binabraso? What is this? Railroading? Sinasabi nga ni dito, walang ganong nagaganap. We have a democracy here. Why not we vote for it? If our colleagues think na your point is better than mine, then let's put it to a vote. Di ba? Kasi nga ang hilig nyo maggaganon siga si Tito Soto ano to, brasuhan. Tangina ganyan pag wala pinag-aralan Di ba? Baka siga ka Putang ina yun, porket ikaw ikaw ang pinakamatanda dyan, ikaw yung walang pinagkatandaan
Kami ang boses ng masa, hindi natatakot. Katotohanan lang, di kami nalulunod. Walang bahid ng sismis, lahat ay totoo. Kahit sino ka pa, pag mali ka babanatan ka. Walang pinipili kulay, wala kaming kinikilingan. Basta para sa bayan, kami lalaban. Pag tama palapakan, pag mali banatan, di matitinag, di matatakot. Para sa bayan, tuloy ang sigaw. Sa harap ng kamera, walang halong takot. Mga baluktot, lahat kayo'y tutumba. Ang hustisya at totoo, yun lang ang mahalaga. Kahit sinong harang, di kami matitinag. Walang pinipiling kulay, wala Pag tama palakpakan, pag mali banatan, di matitinag, di matatakot, para sa bayan tuloy ang sigaw. Kung nasa tama ka, ikaw ay aming kasama, pero pag mali ka, handa ka na bang mabasag? Banateros kami, walang inuunan, dahil bayan muna bago ang sarili. Bago ang sarili. Pag tama palakpakan, pag mali banatan, banateros ang sigaw, katotohanan ang laban. Sa